Hello guys, I'm Lydia, your Russian language coach, and welcome to the Russian Voice Online School. During these days, people all over the world are celebrating Easter, the bright holiday of Christ's resurrection. In Russian, we call Easter Pascha. Pascha. And if you want to congratulate someone on this day, we'll say Светлой Пасхи. I wish you bright Easter, or Счастливой Пасхи. Happy Easter. Traditionally, on this day, people greet each other with the words Христос воскрес. Christ is risen. Христос воскрес. And the answer will be Воистину воскрес. Truly he is risen. Воистину воскрес. People also prepare special Easter food on this day. It can be Easter cakes, such as Пасха or кулич, and colorful Easter eggs, писанки or крашенки. And what about you? Do you celebrate Easter in your country? А вы празднуете Пасху в своей стране? Write your answers in the comments. Напишите ваши ответы в комментариях.